I am absolutely thrilled to talk about the incredible reverse engineering services offered by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd in Greater Noida, Delhi NCR. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading provider of engineering solutions, and their reverse engineering services are truly top-notch. With their expertise and cutting-edge technology, they have revolutionized the field of reverse engineering, making them the go-to choice for businesses in the region. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of staying ahead in today's competitive market. That's why their reverse engineering services are designed to help businesses gain a competitive edge by providing them with accurate and detailed information about their products or components. Whether it's for product improvement, quality control, or even replication, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the expertise to deliver exceptional results. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from its competitors is their commitment to excellence. They have a team of highly skilled engineers who are experts in the field of reverse engineering. These professionals utilize state-of-the-art equipment and software to meticulously analyze and recreate products or components. This attention to detail ensures that the final result is an exact replica of the original, meeting the highest standards of quality. Another remarkable aspect of Scon Design India Pvt Ltd's reverse engineering services is their efficiency. They understand that time is of the essence for businesses, and they strive to deliver results in a timely manner without compromising on quality. Their streamlined processes and advanced technology enable them to complete projects within tight deadlines, ensuring minimal disruption to your business operations. Choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for reverse engineering services in Greater Noida, Delhi NCR, is truly a smart decision. Are you ready to experience the power of reverse engineering services in Greater Noida, Delhi NCR? Look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. With their cutting-edge technology and expertise, they are revolutionizing the field of reverse engineering in the region. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is at the forefront of this exciting industry, offering top-notch services that cater to a wide range of industries and sectors. When it comes to reverse engineering services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the name you can trust. Their team of skilled professionals utilizes state-of-the-art equipment and software to meticulously analyze and recreate complex components and products. Whether you need to replicate a part for replacement or want to improve an existing design, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from others in the market is their commitment to excellence. They understand the importance of precision and accuracy in reverse engineering, and therefore leave no stone unturned in delivering exceptional results. Their team of engineers and designers work tirelessly to ensure that every project meets the highest standards of quality. With their base in Greater Noida, Delhi NCR, Scon Design India